I've been walking through the skylands, watching empires in the clouds fall slow. Thought I was all alone till the symbols started glowing. Hey, stepped on a ledge with the moon in my chest. Oil this blue light hitting while I'm tryna decompress. Ancient glyphs on the walls, they've been talking to me, telling me the truth that the world couldn't see. And the tower so tall it cuts through the sky. Feel the wind on my face while I'm letting shit fly. Got a beast by my side with the gold on his skin. Every scar that I carry gonna turn into a win. Hey, evolving me, I've been rising from the deep, and slowly stars on me. Every shadow that I have still knows me, fall with me. Yeah, we rise, call on me when the old version of you stops growing. I've been living in a place where the planets don't sleep. Purple tides hit when the shore hit a vibe too deep. People staring at the portals as they open at night. Hey, see the runes on my arms, yeah, they burn when I breathe. Every step that I take feels like I'm shedding my grief. All the cities upside down, but I'm standing in place. Guess the universe flips when you find in your space, yeah. Evolving me, I've been rising from the deep, and slowly stars on me. Every shadow that I have still knows me, fall with me. We can climb through the realm so holy. Call on me when the old version of you stops growing. If the world ever breaks, let it break in the light. I've been standing on the edge, watching new worlds rise, evolving with the waves like it's all by design. Yeah, evolving me tonight. Wait.